Hi, it's Dr. Noel Williams, March 27, 2026, obviously, Optimal Health Associates. We want to talk about hormones because menopause treatment is becoming more mainstream, which is great. It's wonderful. I'm glad finally that the thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of other doctors who've been behind for the last 25 years are catching up finally. But there's a problem. The problem is sourcing. We use pellets a lot, we use injections a lot for estradiol, we use then covered insurance things a lot. The problem is the covered insurance things, notably patches and the gels that are generic, we are just running into constant issues with them having no product in them. So the estradiol levels are zero, the Dottie patch is on short back order, the replacement Sandoz product is not working. So if any of you are on one of those products or the generic gel product and you're starting to have symptoms, think, I'm not imagining it, there's no estrogen in the generic medicine I'm using. So let your provider know if it's not us. If it's us, please let us know. You may have to switch to Evamist, which is a branded product. There's a coupon for it through GoodRx, so it's a little more reasonable. Or you may have to think about going with pellets or shots. We're really in a troublesome situation in the United States with generics not being valid. There's been some pretty interesting stories on it in different journals and newspapers about the supply of generics and how so many of them don't have anything in them or are contaminated, and we're really feeling that on a hormone level. So just be aware of that, no matter who you are, and let your provider know if that's happening. Thank you very much.